MeghalayaPost.news.
Today pi kipai ba no song jong dalam Meghalaya. Sa isin pat na kaliang MeghalayaPost.news. Kadon mentahan ya po sakrahat. Apo ka sorba jong Tura. Ni don hangne ban sementarang haka jingle don Lehniam Khatduh. Ya uwi nang Lehniam bapau baru bola sakri labun bun senem ya ka dalam Meghalaya. Lembak ki kam niam jong u baru tahu de Reverend Mos George Mamalassery. Ula klat no haka santarik une ubnai. Haka porsan baje namar ka jingpang balaban yu. Une ubishop peningkong balawan basyakri apo ka sorba Tura menadu senem kat handai spa nyo pukundai barah jingat inti kum unong sakri blai uladon mentaru cibun kikam ibabha ibolole nak menta ka imlang ka salang bakentup nadu ban kentiu ya ka puli ka puthi da ka paseng ya ki school baper apo baru ya ka college apo sorba Tura batui kwi ki jaka jogkane ka Garo Hills Manta kidon hang ni apo sekedat bat kancing ni am ka Khatduh u kan long hang ni bat tep ya kamet badon brom jong u apo katedral Tura.
And his family back there, there's a very agricultural background and good farmers. And he was a good farmer here also, a good farmer, a good carpenter, all kinds of things he was able to do, and that earned him the title engineer bishop. And even the state has recognized him with the greatest title of the state, and the university has given him an honorary doctorate. And we are so happy that a great missionary from our diocese is so much honored here in Tura for the huge and great works he has done here. God bless him. May he rest in peace.
Parampil. I am the first clerician priest come to Tura diocese, and it was because of the invitation of Bishop Mamalassery back in 1983-84. We came here, and I worked in many dioceses. It's only because of Bishop Mamalassery we came here. The clericians worked here all over started in Tura diocese, spread all over Northeast India. And Bishop Mamalassery and we all of us are from the same village. That's one of the, and we all of us are we respect him so much, so that because he was a model of hard work, his commitment, his dedication for the church and the people of Meghalaya and Garo Hills in a special way. And he has spread the God's good news to all the parishes here. He built so many churches, missions, and I was part of him, and I worked also in fortunate to work in Garo Hills almost 15 years here, and it was a loss for the church in Garo Hills, and we pray that his soul may rest in peace.
Yakini kubor lalum lapulang da ka MeghalayaPost.news harkat ka jigadon lang ro samla Eric Rani bat kumjuru samla bless lingdo kung kamera person publish bun
MeghalayaPost.news.